Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pork tenderloin in the oven. First, prepare your pork tenderloin by trimming any silver skin or excess fat. This ensures a more tender result. Next, pat the meat completely dry with paper towels. This is crucial for achieving a beautiful sear. Finally, season your tenderloin generously with salt, black pepper, and your preferred herbs or spices. A good rub makes all the difference. After seasoning, heat an oven-safe skillet over medium-high heat with a tablespoon of oil. Sear the tenderloin for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until it's nicely browned all over. This creates a delicious crust. Then, transfer the skillet directly to a preheated 400 degrees F oven. Roast for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until a meat thermometer inserted into the thickest part reads 145 degrees F. Once your pork tenderloin reaches 145 degrees F, remove it from the oven immediately. Transfer it to a cutting board and tent it loosely with aluminum foil. This resting period is absolutely crucial. It allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring a tender and moist result. Let it rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Finally, slice the tenderloin against the grain into 1-inch thick medallions. For the best results, always use a reliable meat thermometer to ensure your pork is cooked perfectly and safely. Don't be afraid to experiment with different rubs and marinades to find your favorite flavor profile. A quick brine can also add incredible moisture. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly cooked, juicy oven-roasted pork tenderloin. It's a simple yet impressive meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.